One day, the wind playfully broke a leaf from a tree. The leaf fell down, laughing loudly, and said, "I can fly with the wind, I can dance, I can go anywhere. And you are just a heavy stone lying on the ground." The stone calmly replied, "True, I cannot fly or dance, but wait and see what real strength means." Suddenly the rain started. The fast-flowing water carried the leaf away. The leaf became afraid and shouted, "Oh no! Where am I going? I don't understand anything." But the stone stood strong in its place. The water flowed past, but it could not move the stone. When the rain stopped, the leaf was far, far away. And the stone? Yes, it was still standing firmly in its place. Lesson. My friends, this story teaches us that showy flying does not last long. Real strength and success come from patience, steadiness, and firmness, just like the stone.